wizard.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. We've got some crazy moves on Bitcoin in the last couple of hours. Some big moves up. Looks like some good moves down now. I was looking at the 30-minute. It looked like she wanted to cross over and potentially continue higher. We are now losing our previous day VWAP. And VWAP on Market Cipher B has rejected off that zero line, with money flow coming out. No, going in, excuse me. But it looks like we're trying to lose this previous day VWAP here. When the candle opened a while ago, about 4 minutes ago, it did open above the VWAP, but man, she's come right back down. We was getting the curve. I figured we'd get rejected off the zero line. And if we do lose this intraday VWAP, the levels we're at now, I would expect coming back down to this 96.1, but man, she's only going to hold so long. You can only knock so many times before someone opens the door. So on this, I mean, still a lot of volatility. This VWAP could very well continue up, and we put in some bear divs, but I just kind of feel like we're going to see 95K before too long. Feel like 95K is in the cards, man. She's just coming down. Now let's look locally. You got a blood diamond on the 10-minute. VWAP's crossing over. Let's go to the 5. Money flow has come out. VWAP's going down. RSIs are coming down. Looks like the VWAP's going to have room to ebb and flow underneath this zero line. So I would definitely be eyeing this 96.1 level again. Okay. Let's look at the 2-hour. 2-hour red dot printing has an hour to confirm. VWAP is coming down. Money flow wants to cross over. A lot of volatility right now. So we're in and out of the trades. Moving stop losses to entry as soon as we get into our profit zones. The 4-hour VWAP is also curving down now. Bringing attention to the daily. The daily is starting to pinch a green dot. VWAP is coming over, but money flow is coming out. Going right back in. Yeah, she's going right back in with that VWAP crossing over. So I mean, just look at that volatility. That single candle right there. Wow. Dangerous times. Now we could print. We could, at the end of today, we could see a green dot starting to print. Or we could see a hard rejection off that zero line and this wave continue. But just because we print the green dot doesn't mean we can't follow right up with a red dot. Okay, we printed the green dot here, got a little move up, got the red dot a day later. Okay, so something to keep an eye on. We rejected hard rejection off 100K. And we're trying to hold. If you lose this intraday VWAP where we're at now, we'll just call it 97.5. If you lose 97.5, expect 96.1, and if you're not holding that, we're going to come down and hit this 68K low VWAP at 95K. Now, we are technically right now on the hour and at a very local time frame overall. We are not putting in higher highs, but on a very local time frame, we have put in higher highs than back here, and we're trying to keep our lower, our higher lows going. Right, that's what we're trying to do on this very local, just few hour time frame. Okay, so not a lot overall. Overall, we are not making higher highs. Okay, we're making lower lows with lower highs. But on a local time frame, you could say maybe, but just with the volatility, the rejection right off 100K, I feel like we have lower to go. 2-day VWAP is curving up. She could reject off the zero, same as the 3-day. All these bear divs on these higher time frames that we've been talking about for the last week, because it's not only momentum, but it's money flow and VWAPs. Okay, you got the trifecta of bear divs, along with the monthly pinching that red dot with 100% hit rate. 100% hit rate when these red dots happen. Four-hour is curving down, but just a lot of volatility in the market, guys. I mean, just look at the wicks. I was saying last night, looks like some crazy volatility was coming, and that's exactly what happened. Like I said, 10-minute blood diamond, red dot right under the zero line. We could be potentially coming down to make lower lows. I'd still eye. Where'd she go? I'd still eye this 90K, 89K low. Quarter 3 VWAP. Okay, if we're not gonna get above 100K, if we're not closing prices above 100K, I'm still looking for the 90K VWAP right here. Now the spider line has caught us, but she can only catch us so many times before that net gives, before that spider web gives. So we'll keep an eye on it, man. Just a lot of volatility. Be careful in any kind of trades right now. That will do it for me. I hope everyone continues to have a great day. I will be back later this evening after the VWAP reset, and we can maybe get a little bit more clarity on these charts. But I hope you all continue to have a great day. That'll do it for me. I'm out.